Go to the Tools panel of Photoshop and select the elliptical marquee tool or any of the selection features. And create a selection, something very basic like that. What you can do, you can go to the Channels panel, and you can find that in the Window menu and Channels, and then you can go down here and you can save this current selection, this one here. Simply click there and it's saved as an alpha channel. Now you can deselect that, so select and deselect. But you can always go to the alpha channel, so just go to the alpha channel and you can see the design here. Well, what you can now do, you can go to Filter, maybe go to Blur, Gaussian Blur, and you can just blur it, maybe not that much, but maybe slightly blur it. You can also apply other filters, so go Filter and down to Distort, maybe go for Wave. And you can see the result there in the preview. Say you apply it like that, and you can see now you got that result. However, you want it back as a selection. Well, simply just go here. And you've got it now as a selection. Of course, what you do, go back to this document, and you can see now you've modified your selection using filter effects. And any of these ones, all these can be used to modify your selection. And of course, then what you do, apply effects just to that selection and create all kinds of different designs. Hope you found this of interest. Thank you much.